Hello, in this class we'll talk about many, much and a lot of. These are quantifiers as they tell us about quantity. They are used before nouns. Nouns can be countable or uncountable. Countable nouns are those which can be counted, like 2 glasses, 3 pens, 4 cars, etc. Uncountable nouns are those which cannot be counted, like sugar, rice, oil. In this lesson, you will learn about many, then about much, after that about a lot of. Then we'll sum up what is done in the lesson. In the end, there is practice exercise. Let's get started. Many. Many is used with countable nouns. It is mainly used in negative sentences and questions. Examples: there aren't many women in the party. Mink hasn't many cats. In these negative sentences, many is used with countable nouns, women and cats. Look at the questions with many. How many people are in the hall? How many apples are in the basket? Here, people and apples are countable nouns. Many can be used in affirmative sentences when we write formally. For example, many medicines have been suggested for this disease. When many is preceded by so, as or to, it can be conveniently used in affirmative sentences. Examples: she has so many problems in her life. Take as many pictures as you like. There were too many people in the concert. In these affirmative sentences, we have used so many, as many, and too many. Much. We use much with uncountable nouns. It is mainly used in negative sentences and questions. For example, they don't have much time to spend together. Don't take much tension for the interview. In these negative sentences, much is used with uncountable nouns, time and tension. Now look at the questions. How much sugar do you have? How much water is left in the pot? Here, sugar and water are uncountable nouns. Much can be used in affirmative sentences when we write formally. For example, much time is wasted in useless discussion. When much is preceded by so, as or to, it can be used with much. For example, I have so much work to do today. He likes cricket as much as badminton. Too much workout is not good for health. In these affirmative sentences, we have used so much, as much, and too much. Next is a lot of or lots of. We use it with both countable and uncountable nouns. It is used informally in place of many and much in affirmative sentences. It means a large number of when it is used in place of many, and a large amount of when it is used in place of much. A lot of is informal and lots of is more informal. Examples are: there were a lot of people in the fair. She was asked a lot of questions in the interview. He has a lot of free time today. There was a lot of rain yesterday. In these examples, we can also use lots of in place of a lot of. Now, summing up what we have done, many is used with countable nouns, much with uncountable nouns, and a lot of with both countable and uncountable nouns. Both many and much are used mainly in negative sentences and questions. They can also be used in affirmative sentences while writing formally and when they are preceded by so, as, or to. A lot of is used in affirmative sentences informally in place of many and much. Practice exercise. You have to fill in the blanks with many, much, or a lot of. Pause the video, read these sentences, and fill in the blanks. Then match your answers with the answers given here. Write me in the comment section how many have you done correct. This is the end of the lesson. I hope your confusion among these words is clear now. We'll meet soon with another lesson. Till then, bye.